Now let's talk about a more advanced topic, which is conditional formatting. It's a very nice feature that lets you add conditions in which you can configure the email. So any new email that comes to you from Adobe or Apple, you can archive it, you can label it, you can add it to a category, or you can do anything you want with it. Now, to do this, you need to go to the View menu. Then, from the View menu, go to View Settings. Now, click on the Conditional Formatting feature here, User-Defined Fonts on each message. Now, click on it, and here you will see the Conditional Formatting rules. Now, the formatting that we will deal with here is basically the font formatting. We will change the font depending on the sender. So to create a new rule, here we have already made rules by Microsoft for unread messages, unread group headers, and etc. As you can see, the color change depending on the status. So to create a new one, click Add, and let's name it Ashraf. Name it with your name or the rule itself. So Ashraf, let's say UD. Now, the next step is adding the font formatting. Let's say that you want to add, let's say bold, big font, and change the color to purple. Then click OK. Now we have the font, we have the name. The last thing is the condition itself, which is what we will work with. Now the next step is including a word here. Now it will search for the word in the email title, and if it is there, it will change the color to make this email unique. Usually this word must be your company name or your boss name to make sure that you don't miss any new email from your boss. Now let's add Apple, and the from message you can add at Apple or at iTunes.com. Now this will help the filter look for an email that comes from Apple at iTunes.com. Now, if you want, you can specify the send to email. So an email that you have sent to someone, and you can add the email of that person here. It will change the coloring of this email. Now, the last thing is pressing OK, OK, and OK. Now, if the filter applies to any of these emails, it will directly change the coloring. So let's take this email and add it to the filter. Go back to the View Settings, go back to the Conditional Formatting, Ashraf, and here add the email address for Apple and remove the Apple word. Now usually we use the from email address to specify this filter, and we change the color to make it unique. Now once you do that, as you can see, now inside my email list, you can see that Apple email is in a different color now because it was sent from the email that I have specified. Now you can change this with your boss email or your company main email to change the coloring and make it stand out from other emails. This is conditional formatting. Now, next we will talk about flags, which is another nice feature that you can use inside Outlook or Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.